How to create a Telegram channel for business. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create a channel for your business, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create the channel, tap onto the pencil icon at the top right corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find new channel just right here. Now tap on it. Now tap on to create channel just right here. Now add the channel name just like this. And tap on to the description and you can simply add the description as well. Then tap on to next. And now you can see it has been created. Now you can add the channel type to private or public, and you can simply share the link as well and tap on to next. And you can add the person whoever you want to add to the channel just like this and tap on to next. And now you can see the channel has been created. Now you can simply add the channel to use for your business and add the person or members for your business. And that's it. This is how you can create a Telegram channel for business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.